Hi, I'm Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my new Pat McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette. I got this for Christmas and I thought it would be kind of fun to attempt a Pat McGrath Instagram video tutorial. She is one of the most iconic makeup artists and makeup creators, in my opinion. And the videos she posts on Instagram are just so beautiful, and she creates the most stunning eyeshadow looks. Just a sweep of the brush, it looks so easy and effortless, and I highly doubt it's that easy. So I'm gonna put one to the test, a video using this palette. I'll show you the video and we'll see if we can create something similar. This might go really south really fast. This palette is so beautiful. Just the packaging is just the little things, you know, just make it so incredible. Like, wow, come on. When I opened this on Christmas, I cried. Oh my God, it's just so luxurious. Look at that packaging. It's so beautiful, the gold back. And this is the palette. Oh, look at that. Okay, so she starts out with this purple shade here. And she uses what looks like a brush like this. I don't know if I have a brush that's like thin enough. Let's just give this one a shot. Oh, let me zoom you in for this. Not quite. Can I remove? I feel like I need setting spray. I need a different brush. I don't know how she uses the brush she's using. I'm gonna use this flat brush. Oh. Sorry, I'm blocking you. This is already turning out wrong. These are so uneven. Okay, let's just move on and we'll clean it up from there. This is so not the same on both sides. So she then uses this little brush. I think these are supposed to connect. This is already so wrong, but it's fine. We're gonna fix what we can. They aren't supposed to be that close together, but let's see. Let me get a makeup wipe. She's better. She's better. Still a mess, but better. Okay? Let's just move on. That's better. It's not quite doing what I wanted to do, but come on, we're close enough. Just keep moving. Girl, this is hard. This is what we're looking like right now. Then she takes an eyeliner brush. We take the blue Hers is so perfect and mine's so not. I need to spray the blue though. Now we're doing this finishing touch of the smoothie. Man, this is so pretty. I love this blue shade. Okay, this is the final look. It's definitely not the same exact as Queen Pat's, but I tried my best. This is the first time I've ever used Pat McGrath's shadows, and the first time I ever tried to follow a tutorial. That was also an Instagram tutorial. I had a feeling it was going to turn out really bad. I touched up the blue a little bit on top to make it less big, and I kind of shaped the wings a little bit smaller. I had lipstick on my face. Oh my god, it's smeared. Oh my god, it's smeared a ton. Sorry. Ah! It didn't turn out as bad as I was expecting it to turn out, but this is a kind of a look that is challenging. I just thought it would be fun to try to recreate one of her looks, because her Instagram videos are only a few, like what, 30 seconds, less than a minute, and she can create something so beautiful in that short of a time on camera. So it just goes to show what a true artist she is, and just I think she's a queen, and I'm just completely amazed by her work. Mine is definitely nowhere near hers, but it was fun to give it a shot and see how hard that kind of a look actually is, which, yeah, it was hard. And it did not take one swipe for me. I had to get the makeup remover and the brush every step of the way. That was just fun and challenging, and I'm excited to use this in different ways. I'm really blown away by this blue shade. It is so sparkly and so pretty. I can't wait to keep using this palette. Thanks again to my mom for getting me this for Christmas. I'm just so excited. Anyway, go check out Pat McGrath's Instagram to see some other beautiful videos. She has so many of just like a sweep, and then it's just like, oh, glittery gorgeousness. I can't get over it. They're so amazing to watch. She makes it look so simple. Anyway, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye!